like instructions and stuff I've got to follow. I was not prepared for this morning. Installation instructions. Damn it. Noah here. Today I have a really exciting video. It's going to be my ring light unboxing video. I just ordered this on Amazon, and as you guys know, I've been trying to update like my filming setup and everything like that, so I'm so excited to add this to my collection. I just got my new camera. If you haven't seen that video, I unboxed the Canon G7X. Go ahead and check that out. I'll link it right now up top, and I'll also link it in the description box down below. If you're not part of the crew, subscribe to my channel. I have videos coming out every single Thursday and Sunday, as well as live streams all the time. So if you're following me on Instagram, I'll put the link right here. If you're following me on Instagram, I post like when I do my live streams and all that, and you get some like sneak peek into like videos before they even come out, so that's always exciting. So definitely go ahead and do those. Now that we're done with that, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. All right, so I grabbed some scissors because I know this is going to be hard. This is the box. It's huge. So yeah, this is the box. I'm so excited. All right, what are we waiting for? Let's open it. I'm always scared I'm gonna cut myself. Oh man, it's like a box in a box. Ugh. Look at this. It's literally a box in a box. Oh man, this is not gonna be easy. There's like parts and pieces right here. Take that out first. Oh man, there's a bunch of boxes in the box. Alright, looks like that's everything. Oh, I'm guessing these are for different lighting. I'm assuming I'm not going to be using the red, so I'm not going to open that one yet. What's this? Don't need that. What's this box? Oh, this is a stand. Okay, okay. Okay. I'm so bad at doing these things. Seems like it just snaps into place. Alright, you guys see that? Damn, it's bright. This would be so great for like doing makeup and stuff. I'm gonna show you guys a little before and after. Alright, so this is just my window, natural lighting, and then this is the ring light on. And this is it, like kind of dimmed. It can go brighter, brighter. Whoa. And I feel like if it was behind the camera, it would brighten up my whole face, because right now, as you can see, like half my face is still dark. So let's try that real quick. The main difference that I've seen with the ring light is that it shows more true to real life colors. For example, the colors on the right are the colors that are actually in real life. Like that shirt is normally tan, not like pinkish purple like the left. Alright guys, so that's the end of my ring light unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I would love to have you guys part of the train, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!